Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today my group members and I will present our task 2. We have already choose container list during loading and unloading process as our title. Other than that, we also identify the factors, impact and solution on container list during loading and unloading process. We also have used Facebook application as our platform to sharing the information about the topic.
My name is Assalamualaikum binti AWANG. My metric number is 54874. Today, I want to present about factor of container loss during loading and unloading process. There are two factors, which is incorrect management information and inefficient inspection. From incorrect management information, the cause of failure to accurately declare the container's weight can result in containers being loaded and stacked incorrectly. After that, the cause of failure to comply with the ship's container securing manual. For inefficient inspection, the cause of improper packing of goods inside containers that cause goods to move around inside, causing issue with weight distribution during loading and unloading. And improper loading and unloading of containers, including failure to check and secure lashing equipment, issue with hoisting cranes, poorly stacking containers, and poor arrangement of weight distribution. That's all from me. Thank you.
Impact of container loss during the loading and unloading process. The container loss during loading and unloading process will be amount of impact for country and port. They are increasing the problem of container storage, liable of container loss, and lost the belief of shipper for the port. The container loss during the loading and unloading process will increase the problem of the container storage. This is because during the pandemic COVID-19, the world is facing the container storage. When the container lost during the pandemic COVID-19, it will increase the problem and make the price of container become more expensive than now. Second, port owner have to liable of container loss for container owner. According to convention, port owner have the responsibility to ensure the container is safety in the port yard and during the loading and unloading process. Last, port will lose the belief for the shipper when container loss during the loading and unloading process. This is because container loss is made by the human factor, such as container fire on container yard and collision occur during the loading and unloading process. And it will make the foreign shipper don't use our port against, and it also will affect the relevance for port and country.
The container loss issue might be happening during the loading and unloading process due to several mistakes or hazards, so there are several solutions have been stated to prevent this container loss happening. First, the port and shipping company should provide with the more efficiency software such as Easy Cargo software and Stability software. Easy Cargo software was the container and truck loading software which are easy to use, can help to save the cargo space and time, and it also provides best visualization. A stability software such as AutoLoad was the most advanced universal loading computer software designed to estimate and control parameters of stability strength. The floating status or visually vessel. Besides that, management conduct a regular inspection can also help to container loss prevention. Any loading and unloading supervisor can be start with container inspection to ensure the container cargo was in good condition and stocking goods will not result in damage.
In conclusion, the container loss issue could be caused owing the numerous error or dangerous throughout the loading and unloading procedure, like incorrect management information and inefficient inspection, which is improper packing of goods inside containers that cause goods to move around inside, causing issue with weight distribution during loading and unloading, and depending on the weight of goods inside. Because of that, to avoid any loss of container while loading and unloading, several measures were taken. For example, the loading and unloading operation should be provided with more efficient software such as Easy Cargo software and Stability software, which is easy to use, space and time savings, and finance visualization of the container and truck loading software, and also shipping firm should ensure the effective administration of frequent inspection. Any loading and unloading of containers should begin with the examination of containers.